Receiving verifies shipments enter the line in controlled condition.
Lot identification ensures full traceability through production. Clear segregation prevents unapproved material from entering the line.
Kitting supplies the line with correct parts at the right time.
Accurate tooling prevents dimensional defects in panels.
Pre-kitted sets streamline the main assembly line.
Aligning the top pins now. And the clamps are set. Looks good.
Dimensional checks prevent fit issues later in assembly.
Insulation improves noise and thermal performance. The base frame supports leveling and component mounting.
Alignment checks prevent vibration and installation issues.
Controlled torque secures the tub without distortion. Fastener verification prevents leaks during operation. The drain pump removes wastewater after each cycle. Proper routing prevents kinks and vibration noise.
Correct sealing prevents leaks at the water supply. Grounding protects users from electrical faults.
The control module manages all dishwasher functions. Consistency check. Control electronics installation follows harness preparation.
Secure connections ensure stable communication and power. Multiple spray levels improve cleaning performance.
Controlled torque prevents door sag and misalignment. Flexible routing protects wires during door movement. Proper sealing prevents leaks and ensures regeneration function. Sensors provide feedback for safe and efficient washing. Secure fastening maintains enclosure integrity during transport and use. Early grounding checks reduce safety test failures later. Leak testing ensures watertight operation. High voltage testing verifies electrical insulation safety. Earth bonding confirms safe fault current paths. Functional testing confirms core washing performance. Drying prevents corrosion and odor before packing. Targeted corrections restore full compliance. Retesting confirms the effectiveness of corrections. Serialization ensures lifetime traceability. Correct documentation supports proper installation and use.
Cartoning secures the product for shipment.
Sealing and labeling complete individual packout.
Weight checks confirm all contents are included.
Consistent stacking protects cartons during transport.
Wrapped pallets remain secure and traceable.
Separated scrap enables responsible recycling. Baling prepares metal scrap for efficient recycling.
Controlled storage ensures compliant disposal.
Systemized storage maintains inventory accuracy.
Okay, this row is for Dallas. Make sure the placard's clear. Got it. I'll start the next lane for Chicago.
Safe dock setup protects workers and products.
Careful loading prevents transit damage.
All secured here, boss.
Looks good. Proceed to the next pallet.
Sealing protects shipment integrity. Clear docks maintain safe traffic flow.
Finished products depart for distribution.
The completed process reflects controlled manufacturing flow.